Welcome back to our Dakis University series on how to use the new dakisPay integrated payment method. I'm Matt from Dakis, and today we're going to learn how to process an item for a refund and how to print the receipt using dakisPay. Did you know you can process refunds directly in your mydakis account using dakisPay? You sure can. You can refund a single or several items in a transaction using dakisPay. Let's take a look at the steps together. In our mydakis account, let's click on the Orders drop-down menu, then select All Orders from the list of options. This will open up the All Orders page. To help us find the order to refund, we can use the search bar to look for it using an order number, a printing order number, a customer's name, email, or phone number, or the brand name or partial name found in any line item in the cart. Let's look up an order number. We can copy and paste the order number into the search field or type it in manually and then hit enter to search. Once we've found the order we need, we can click the View button right next to it to open up the full page view. On this page, we can find the transaction options for specific orders. Let's click on the Transaction Actions drop-down to expand it and select Refund Items. Please note that only captured orders can be refunded. Orders that are still only authorized have to be voided. If the Refund Items option is grayed out on this drop-down, that means the order likely still needs to be captured. Now let's get back to refunding. We can use the checkboxes to check any items we want to include in the refund. We can also set the quantity for each item, set a refund for shipping costs, and add a reason for the item being refunded. Once we're ready, we can click the Refund Amount button in the left-hand menu. We'll see a refund process successfully message at the bottom of the screen. Remember, depending on the processor and card network, you can typically refund an order between 6 months to a year and a half after it has been placed. To print or email a receipt after it's refunded, click on the Receipt drop-down menu and select either the Print Receipt or Send Email Receipt options. Be sure to check out our other videos for more information about how to best use your Dakis solutions. You can find that and more at help.dakis.com. Visit today.